Maybe you are in a situation where you have a lot of stuff on your desktop with PDF, screenshot, documents, and it starts to getting quite messy. One way to organize it is using stacks. So to access stacks, I'm going to do a control click on my desktop, and I have this menu showing up. I'm going to use stack and look at the magic. Everything is stacked by type. So all my screenshots here are stacked together. All my PDF are together. Now, maybe you don't want to stack by type. One way to change that is I'm going again doing a control click on it, group stack by, and I can change. For example, the last time I'm going to stack them by the dates they have been created. And you see I have a different way of having my document, pictures, PDF, everything stack. I prefer personally kind, so I will keep that.